Welcome everyone to my new video titled 25 Marvelous Space Facts. Did you know that astronauts can't burp in space? And space is completely silent? And Saturn is the only planet on the solar system that could float on water? To know more space facts, watch till end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel now. Then let us start with our new video titled 25 Marvelous Space Facts. Fact number 25. As space has no gravity, pens won't work. Normal pens won't work in space as there is no gravity. Pens need gravity to pull ink to the nib. Solving that problem, NASA had invented an pen named Fisher Space Pen, which is a gas-charged ballpoint pen that is rugged and works in wider variety of conditions like zero gravity, vacuum, and extreme temperatures. It has been used by NASA in space missions. Fact number 24. A day on Mercury is equivalent to 58 Earth days. This is because Mercury rotates on its axis very slowly compared to Earth. While Mercury is the closest planet to Sun, since it takes 58.646 days to complete its rotation on its axis. When we experience almost 2 months, Mercury experiences a day. And it just takes only 88 days to complete one round around the Sun. That means when we experience almost 3 months in Earth, it experiences 1 year on Mercury. And Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. And Mercury is 5 crore 80 lakh kilometers away from the Sun. Fact number 23. A large percentage of asteroids are pulled in by Jupiter's gravity. For this reason, Jupiter is called the dumping grounds for our solar system. And did you know that Jupiter protects Earth from asteroids by pulling those inside using its great gravitational pull? Wow, that thanks Jupiter. Fact number 22. The first woman in space was a Russian called Valentina Tereshkova. She launched into the space and history, becoming the first woman in space during the Vostok 6 mission on June 16, 1963. She spent almost 3 days in space and orbited the Earth 48 times in a space capsule before returning to Earth. Fact number 21. Coca-Cola was the first commercial soft drink that was ever consumed in space. Coke became the first soft drink consumed in the outer space. When astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger tested with Coca-Cola Space Can on July 12, 1985. Fact number 20. On Venus, it snows metal and rains sulfuric acid. This is because Venus is a scorching planet choking with sulfuric acid, which caused the planet's metals to become gas and then liquid in the atmosphere. Before raining down to the ground after the freezing temperatures turn it into the solid. And Venus days are longer than its years at 225 Earth days per year and 243 Earth days per day. Venus spins clockwise while all other planets spin counterclockwise. Fact number 19. There are approximately 100,000 million stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Stars are not randomly scattered through space. They are gathered in space in vast groups known as galaxies. And we live in Milky Way galaxy, in which astronomers estimate about there are 100,000 million stars. Then think there are almost 100 billion galaxies. Then how many stars will be there in all galaxies? There are approximately 100 billion stars in all galaxies. Fact number 18. We always see the same side of the moon no matter where we stand on earth. This is because moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that the moon orbits the earth, a situation known as synchronous rotation or tidal locking. The moon is directly illuminated by the sun and the viewing condition cause the lunar phases. This is why we see only the one side of the moon. It doesn't matter where you stand in earth. Fact number 17. The International Space Station circles Earth every 92 minutes. Did you know the International Space Station travels in orbit around the Earth at a speed of roughly 17.5 miles per hour, that's about 5 miles per second, or it travels 8.047 kilometers in only 1 second. Awesome. That means that the space station orbits Earth and sees a sunrise once every 92 minutes. Fact number 16. Outer space is only 62 miles away. A common definition of space is known as the Kármán line, a boundary which is 100 kilometers above the sea level or 62 miles. Fact number 15. The Earth's rotation is slowing slightly as time goes on. Earth's rotation is slowing slightly with time. Thus, a day was shorter in the past. This is due to the tidal effects of the moon as on Earth's rotation. And the Three Gorges Dam in China holds back so much water it slows the rotation of the Earth very slightly. Fact number 14. Only 5% of the universe is visible from Earth. We can only see the 5% of the space. Other 95% can't be seen even by telescope. 68% of the universe is dark energy and 27% of the universe is dark matter. Both of these are invisible. We can only see 5% that is visible matter. Fact number 13. We know more about Mars and our moon than we do about our oceans. Oceans cover more than 70% of the earth. Meaning of that is we have not yet explored 65% of our earth. We have only explored 35% of our planet earth and we have explored 100% of moon and Mars surface now has been mapped. Fact number 12. Footprints left on the moon won't disappear as there is no wind and water. Did you know that an astronaut footprint can last 1,000,000 years on the surface of moon? That's because there's no wind and water in moon. It exists in vacuum of space where there are no gentle breezes and water to sweep up the dust and erase the footprints of astronauts. Fact number 11. The highest mountain discovered is the Olympus Mons, which is located on Mars. Olympus Mons is a volcano in Mars which is said as the highest mountain ever discovered. Its peak is 16 miles 25 km high, making nearly 3 times larger than Mount Everest, which is the largest mountain on earth. And not only tall, it's also wide as 1,14,000 meters square, that is 1.2 times larger than United Kingdom's area. Fact number 10. Mercury and Venus are the only two planets in our solar system that have no moons. That's right, that Venus and Mercury are the only two planets in our solar system that don't have a single natural moon orbiting them. They may not have a natural moon because it may be Mercury is very closer to Sun and it is very small in size as it can't hold its moon and Sun may swallow it. And did you know that there are 176 confirmed moons in our solar system? One of the moon is larger than the planet Mercury. Fact number 9. There is a planet half the radius of the Earth with a surface made up of diamonds. 55 Cancri E has a mass of 8 times that of Earth's despite having half the radius and may very well have a surface made up of graphite and diamonds. It's only 40 light years away from Earth. Meaning of a light year is the distance covered by light in only a single year. Light moves about 3 lakh km a second. Fact number 8. On average, it takes the light only 1.3 seconds to travel from the moon to Earth. It takes light to reach almost 1.3 seconds to reach a distance about 3,84,400 kilometers, which is the distance of moon to Earth. Fact number 7. A sunset on Mars is blue. Just as colors are made more dramatic in sunsets on Earth, Martian sunsets appear bluish for human observers watching from the red planet Mars. Fine dust makes the blue near the sun's part of sky much more prominent, while normal daylight makes the Mars the familiar rusty dust color more prominent. Fact number 6. Our moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of 1.6 inch, which is 4 centimeter per year. The moon continues to spin away from the Earth at a rate of 3.78 centimeters, which is equal to 1.48 inches per year. This is the speed in which our fingernails grow. The migration of the moon away from the Earth is mainly due to the action of the Earth's tides. Without the moon, the Earth could slow down enough to become unstable, but this would take billions of years and it may never happen at all. Fact number 5. Any free moving liquid in outer space will form itself into a sphere. Water sits in a lake or in a glass or etc. because the gravity on Earth pulls the liquid and makes in shape of the liquid container. But in space, gravity effects are different. There's nothing to hold water, so it becomes sphere and floats in space peacefully. Fact number 4. Pluto's largest moon, Charon, is half the size of Pluto. Charon is about half the diameter of Pluto and it's massive enough nearly 1.1 by 8 of the mass of Pluto. Pluto and its moon Charon are tightly locked so that they always present the same face toward each other. Fact number 3. Space is completely silent. The common explanation for this is that space is a vacuum and there's no medium for sound to travel through. In space, no one can even hear your scream. There's no atmosphere, air to travel the sound, so space is completely silent. Fact number 2. Astronauts can't burp in space. On Earth, gravity pulls liquid solids down to the bottom of our digestive systems, while gases stay up the esophagus as a burp. That can't happen in space. Without gravity in space to separate them, the air, food, and liquids in your stomach are all floating together like chunky bubbles. Fact number 1. Saturn is the only planet that could float in water. Yeah, Saturn could float on water because it is mostly made up of gases. Saturn is less dense than the water, but Earth can't float because it is mainly made up of rocks and stuff. And even Jupiter can't float because of its most dense. And Saturn can float, but it only needs a giant bathtub. Wow! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel now. Goodbye.